Well, I'm Chris, and this is my buying used Nitro RC off of eBay. This is another Fortec. I think I paid about $225 for this, and I just had to have one of these bodies. It's not perfect, but we can display it like that, and it'll look just fine. You can't buy these bodies anywhere, so the only way to get it was on a complete Fortec. So these videos, when I buy these, we're going through them and evaluating them and see if we got a good deal or we got a piece of junk. So this is all it came with. We're not worried about the body. This is going to be carefully cleaned. So the first thing we do, we try to spin the engine over. It freaking spins over. And we're checking for compression. Okay, the compression feels good, but it doesn't look like it was run that much. And it seems like they did an after run, empty the fuel tank out the last time they put it up. So it's an air filter, it's missing pieces, so it just goes in my parts box. We have a transmitter, we have a crystal, we have a red crystal. Always check those, make sure they're not corroded. So when I get bad servos, I save them for these little plugs, and look what happened. We have a situation. So we can leave that gas tank on, 2.5. Come on, light up. Ooh, that's such a good sign. So their transmitter works. That's freaking awesome. I love that. So now we need to transfer the little plugs. So we got the plugs put on there. Let's hope they work. I'm going to be a happy boy. Okay, throttle servo works really well. Keeping that on there. Steering servo works, but it needs to be replaced. It's screwed up, and that little shaft is bent. So on these Fortecs, check them out. This piece will be broke off. It has a cover. It's missing, but that's okay. We're also missing the little battery box. So that's just what we're missing so far. It has the big 4 AA battery pack that goes right there. And then it has a little switch right here that's been taken off. It has a zip tie to hold it, but you could use any type of zip tie. So the electronics tested out normal. Got that foam piece, can't buy that. So I'm noticing the wheels are loose on this one all the way around. Okay, tires are a matching set and they all look good. They're gonna clean up. Okay, so that excessive play is in the steering cranks. That was worrying me a little because you cannot buy this front suspension stuff. Okay, it just looks like the wheels are loose on it, not the suspension. See? He just doesn't have the nuts tightened on there. So, okay, that was just freaking me out. Okay, it feels really good now. Let's check that glow plug. Man. This is the cleanest Nitro engine I have got so far. Somebody took care of this car. This was somebody's baby. Nice. But then again, what happened? Why did they quit running it? All right, this is just ready to put back together. Put it on top dead center. Cutouts to the top. All right, let's check the easy start. Ooh, that sounds really good. All right, so let's check his settings. One, it's like 3 3/4, so they were tuning this thing. I go back to 4. The low speed looks fine. Their idle gap looks perfect. Let's dump some fuel in it. I use 25% now. Put some down the carburetor. Should fire right up, right? Oh my God. This is the best running RC car so far. I can't believe this. That's 100% cold start. Damn. This runs good. Very, very, very good. Something sounds, oh, look at the freaking exhaust pipe. It's like restricted. All right, hopefully it'll sound a little better. Carburetor is like sticking and hanging up. It's all gummy. Everything feels all tight and gummy on here. We got to check the belts. That can be time consuming. You have to take everything off and see if they have that back belt on there too tight. Is it the gear mesh? Gear mesh is perfect. Are the brakes on? Oh, that's a thing with these freaking Vortex. No, brakes are not on. Do they have them adjusted too tight? They, oh, man, hold up. They better not have the freaking brakes adjusted too tight, man. All right, let's start it one more time. It was the brakes. Damn. It was the freaking brakes. Running a lot better now. I can't believe that. Yeah. Okay, so they probably had it tuned perfect and I went and screwed it all up. So we know that they did tune it, but they had their freaking brakes too tight. Is that why they gave up on this thing? Because it wouldn't run right? It seemed like it just needed to warm up. All it was the freaking brakes too tight on there. There you go. This is 100% winner. I love it. It is missing little stuff that really doesn't matter, but the main parts of the car are all there. All the screws are there. Everything that needs to be there is there. Looking at it further, all the problems seem to be in that bushing, or that piece right there, and that steering servo. We already have enough videos restoring these, so we need to start doing some videos running these. All right, well, you see how this thing turned out. We got extremely lucky. Now I did pay about $230 or something for this one, and I absolutely love it. If you enjoyed this video, please like and subscribe, and thanks for watching.